from me, mostly in A. Stay with me now. Listen up, this is philosophical. Mud grips, white tip, cigar sticking out of my face, Earnhardt racing sticker on the window, banged up fender, 4x4 straight pipe roar, primer and rust all over the door, scarred up knuckles, Mac belt buckle, white t-shirt, ain't afraid to work, got a what are you looking at, asshole smirk, cold beer, hot wings, Wrangler, skull ring, get just what you see, gun rack, ball cap, don't take no crap, ain't a pretty boy toy, I'll rock you steady, rough and ready. Work boots, one blue suit, size too small, don't wear it at all. Unless somebody kicks, gets hitched, that's a bitch, makes me itch. Up with the sun, off on the run, making money cause I wanna have fun. 5 o'clock whistle, off like a missile. Got a hot date, girl named Kate, thinks I'm cool cause I shoot straight. Ain't one thing about her fate, she's long and tall and she goes great with cold beer, hot wings, Wrangler, skull ring, get just what you see. Gun rack, ball cap, don't take no crap. Ain't a pretty boy toy, I'll rock you steady, rough and ready. Rough and ready, baby. Ah, here's Johnny. Oh, there you go, Gordo. I ain't never heard nothing like that. That's alright with me, but I am who I am, and that's all I can be. I like cold beer, hot wings, Wrangler, skull ring, get just what you see. Gun rack, ball cap, don't take no crap. Ain't a pretty boy toy, I'll rock you steady, rough and ready. Rough and ready. Alike. We say, hey, watch this. Well, that didn't turn out too good. You okay? What are you looking at? Yeah, that's a real gun in that gun rack. No, I don't have a permit for it. You got a permit to ask stupid questions like that?
from Birmingham. Bam-a-lam, way down in Alabama. Bam-a-lam, well, she's shaking that thing. Bam-a-lam, boy, she makes me sing. Bam-a-lam, whoa, Black Betty. Bam-a-lam, whoa, Black Betty. Bam-a-lam. There are few things pure in this world anymore, and home is one of the few. We'd have a drink outside, maybe running out if we saw a couple men in blue. But to me, it's so damn easy to see that your people are the people at home. Well, I've been away, but now I'm back today, and there ain't a place I'd rather go. I feel home when I see the faces that remember my own. I feel home when I'm chilling outside with the people I know. I feel home, and that's just what I feel. Home to me is reality, and all I need is something real. Alright, heading out tonight, maybe off to a dark driveway. I say now, some feel bored and some are looking for more, but we all just decide to stay. We got nothing to do, but when I look at you, I see something that I know and love. And with the crack of a smile, we all stay a while. We know from home there ain't nothing above. Well, in the end, we can all call a friend. Well, that's something that I know that's true. And in 1,000 years and 1,000 tears, I come finding my original crew. 'Cause to me, throughout eternity, there's somewhere we are welcome to go. I said it's something free that means a lot to me. When I'm with my friends, I feel home. I feel home when I see the faces that remember my own. I feel home when I'm chilling outside with the people I know. I feel home, and that's just what I feel. Home to me is reality, and all I need is something real. Home to me is reality, and all I need is something real. I feel home.
Mm-hmm.